HP durable latex fabrics have many new additions, and we're making more and more inroads, especially into polyester fabrics. We have many partners, and we've introduced many more partners that are going to continue to broaden and expand the latex durable fabric market. We have our natural fibers, we have backlit fabrics, and then we also have the traditional sign and display polyester fabrics. Our polyester fabrics, for example, include top value fabric. Now, top value fabric, sometimes known as Ulrich, has a beautiful line of textiles. The Digi Competition, Digi Stretch, Panorama, Supernova, wonderful fabrics, available all around the world and durable. They get a 4 or better on a dry crock test. These fabrics can be used for a whole wide range of applications. Table throws, table skirts, displays, roll-up banners, hanging banners, and then most importantly, silicone edge systems, where you sew the silicone edge, finish it, fold it up, put it in a bag, send it out. Get it to the site, put a little steamer to it, take out the wrinkles, you're good to go. Top Value Fabrics, they have a partnership with HP. They have 5 durable textile SKUs on the latex media locator and always looking to put on more. We also have fabrics from Ultraflex. We have fabrics from Berger. We have fabrics from Signet Mills, sometimes known as EnduraFab. That's available as a durable textile. We have medias from Pongs. We have medias from Neshin. These are all available as durable frontlit polyester textile. The durable textile market is almost unlimited at this point. Everywhere you look, I see these silicone edge systems going up. Large, small, all different sizes and all different locations. I see them in airports. I see them in retail, point of purchase, point of display. I'm increasingly even seeing them in home decor. Fabric signals high end. And we've always had the quality, we've always had the resolution, we've always had the color pop, the ability to print to fabric. What we have now is a defined empirical measurement to determine how scuff and scratch resistant is it. And that's what the dry crock test tells us. If you can get a 4 or better, it becomes a latex durable textile. And on the media locator, there's even a menu where you can search based on durable textile. So you can go into the locator, choose your printer, and there's a selection for durable textile, and it will list all the durable textiles that are available for your printer and have already been built. The profiles are built, and you can download that preset directly into your printer, order that fabric, and you're good to go. Many of these fabrics are designed primarily for the 365 or the 500 series because you would need to use an ink collector. But some of them are coated or so tightly woven that you wouldn't even need an ink collector. You can print them directly on a flat platen. So you could use them for the 335, for example, or the 315. Anything that has an open weave where you put it up to the light, shows pinholes, you want to consider the ink collectors. But if you're just going to print directly to it and there's nothing that goes through, you can use it for any of the latex printers. These durable latex fabrics are an innovation. And the polyester is one component, the backlit is another, and the natural fiber is a third. All 3 of those have enormous popularity and are growing in market share every year in the sign and display and the digital printing market. And latex wants to be right there at the forefront. We have the saturation, we have the resolution, we have the ease of use, and it is a direct print, what you see is what you get opportunity. You print it, it looks great, you trim it, you finish it, you send it out. The only one that you have to consider calendaring is the natural fibers, and that's if you want durability for washability for things like pillows or drapes or bags. But if you want to do sign and display, polyester fabric, we have a whole book full of opportunities here. We're going to continue to grow, and this is going to be a big and growing market for HP Latex.